Hello, my name is Matt Conran from Network Insight, and welcome to my course Designing and Architecting Cisco ACI. I'm a lead network and security architect, and I'm based in Ireland. The traditional data center was built for a different era, and now with the changes in our current environment, we need to modernize the data center with SDN, so we can fully integrate both virtualized and non-virtualized workloads, along with network services in a dynamic fashion. The Cisco ACI uses standards-based protocols such as BGP and VXLAN while relying on a leaf and spine topology for robustness. It uses new concepts and features that, for example, abstract a lot of complexities that we had in the past. In this course, we are going to discuss the core aspects of the Cisco ACI. The solution is based on SDN, uses a leaf and spine topology with a VXLAN overlay, fully integrates a variety of workloads, and dynamically inserts layer 4 to layer 7 services. We will also discuss the functions and new concepts of the Cisco ACI. Some of these include endpoint groups, bridge domains, policy-based redirect, and the new way that Cisco ACI learns and forwards traffic. We will also deep dive into the Cisco ACI extensions with the multi-pod and multi-site designs. Here, we can have a true active-active application deployment in a controlled fashion. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the Cisco ACI, the details of the solution, the new protocols and concepts, along with the various ways to extend the ACI. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn designing and architecting the Cisco ACI course at Pluralsight.